to meet you again. So,
June is gonna explain what we're doing today.
So today we just thought of playing Jenga. And then we thought of playing dominoes, but then we didn't have dominoes. And then we saw the Jenga blocks, and then we made a Jenga block domino game. And here it is.
Okay guys, now we're gonna start the trail, June. Start.